Hey Rhythm Nation, Ollie, Heath here with my very good friend, Panda P. Now, last time we saw you, we made a song on the spot, which I must say I had a brilliant time doing. And my students across the country have been going crazy about it. So they've said, can you do some more? And Panda P said, of course. And he's brought some more crazy sounds for me. And I'm gonna be layering some rhythms with my voice and my guitar. And then Panda P will pass those sounds to me. Are you ready, Rhythm Nation? Let's go!
Oh, come on, yo!
Okay, let's start with the bass line. Let's get it up,
Yeah, Panda P, you know me. This is Ollie, Panda P. Check.
What do you think, Panda P? Yeah! We did it, Rhythm Nation! We nailed that one. All right, well, I had so much fun as usual. And you know what? I'm so excited. I want to give away something, Panda P. I want to give away some free tickets. I know what you're thinking, Panda P, I'm a bit too generous. I know, I can't help it. I love you guys, and I want you to come and see me and Panda P at the Capitol Theatre in February. That's right, 2019, the Capitol Theatre in Horsham. If you want to come along for free, this is all you got to do. Share this video with just 3 people and write down in the comments section an instrument that you love. And you never know, that instrument could be played in our next video. So, I cannot wait to see you, and I'll be in touch with those winners. And for those people that can't come to see me in February, then I'll see you again very soon. Rhythm Nation, you take care. Music truly is everywhere.